Hello viewers, I know it's been a long time since you heard from me. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook spinach and rice. This recipe is very special. I think all over the world, I think about only 5 people knows about this recipe. So this is very important. It's a delicacy that you need to learn how to cook. It's a very easy one. So if you new in my channel, the channel YouTube channel is a Global Kitchen. Go there, subscribe, tap the bell for every notification. Follow me. So here are the ingredients. This is a cooked spinach. Okay, I have my chopped onions, I have my chopped tomatoes, I have my red oil, and over here I have my pepper, blended pepper, garlic, ginger, and green pepper. Okay, and I have my stockfish right here. I have my stockfish. It gives it a lot of good flavor, and my smoked fish, and I have sardine, 2 cube. Okay, so the essence of this channel is to cook healthy, no chemical at all, very healthy food. That is what the channel is all about, and to show people how to eat healthy and cook healthy. Okay, to start it, I pour a little bit of red oil, as sizable as I need. Then when it get a little bit heated, I'm gonna put my stockfish. Remember, stockfish first. Okay, I put my stockfish. Let me tell you the essence of this. Now the stockfish is gonna give it a very good, nice flavor. So to just get that stockfish flavor in it, the starting you have to put it in it a little bit, then you're gonna take it off. It's not gonna remain in it, okay? It's not like you are frying it. You just want the flavor of the stockfish in it. So fellas, you leave it on to about 5 minutes, okay, just to get enough, flavor in the red oil as you can. Then we're gonna take it out of the red oil. Okay, I have gotten that kind of aroma that I need in my oil. As soon as you start smelling the stockfish in it, then you're good to go. So we're gonna remove it. Now, after removing it, you have to put in your onions. Make sure the onions are very important, okay, aspect of every food. So you don't allow it to brown too much, okay, just to also get the flavor of onion, so you can smell it on it. Okay, a little bit of this is okay. Then you pour your blended pepper, ginger, garlic. That is my natural spices, okay? So you stir, give it a stir. So you allow it on it for about 2 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna add our chopped tomatoes. Stir it. Again, give it about 3 minutes to simmer. So if you're still new on this channel, okay, go to YouTube. The name is Global Kitchen. Subscribe, tap the bell for more notification. And the essence of this channel is to cook healthy and eat healthy. So at this moment, I'm gonna put my 2 whisk egg in it. Then you leave it a little bit. You can actually stir it, give it a stir. Then you put your stockfish. continue to give it a stir. All right, so at this moment we're gonna put my sardine. I really love fish a lot, but you can actually use meat also. I'm not a fan of meat, so you can use meat, fish, or any other type of stuff that you want in this recipe. Don't forget my Maggi. I'm gonna put my 2 Maggi in. Also the Maggi is the chicken flavor, so it's just gonna melt into it. Okay, just give it a little bit more stir. All right, at this moment you're gonna put spinach in it. That is the main deal of this recipe. Okay, you put your spinach in, you give it a stir gradually. Okay, so my saucepan is not too big because I was cooking just a little of this, so I didn't make it too big. Give it a stir. You see how nice it looks? You see how nice it looks? Yeah, this is spinach stew, but we're not done yet. Okay, I'm gonna give you the magic of this. Okay, this is spinach stew. One of my videos on YouTube, I already taught you how to cook spinach stew. You can use it to eat everything, but with this kind of recipe I'm gonna add rice to it, and that is the magic. Okay, followers, you can't miss this. You can't miss this. Viewers, so after this you're gonna put I'm gonna put my aluminum foil on it. Okay, so the main essence of this is as it get heated, it's gonna evaporate, and this is gonna prevent it, so it's gonna condense back into the our cooking and make it moist and soft. Okay, so that is the main essence for the aluminum foil. I'm gonna have to clean the lid a little bit. So we leave it up to about 25 minutes. It should be ready. Hello fellas, so our spinach rice is done. See how it is? Beautiful.